You can hear the waves in the background. If you're getting cold, just pop in. I love watching the clouds go over and then see them come out. It's a nice video, this one, mate. Pop away inside.
That star over there, that Venus.
I'm actually not too sure what that one is. I'm used to it. That's a cool crater, that one right there. This one to YouTube later. that's different. I zoomed in on that star and there's 3 other little dots next to it. What the fuck is that?
What's that?
Yeah. Oh, there's another one there, look. Look at them. What are they?
No idea.
Look at them. Right next to that star.
I was going to say that sunspots, were they? No, sunspots, were they? Could be something here,
Is there other stars next to that? You can't see them until you zoom in on the star. What are they? What the fuck are they? Okay, now that's confusing. I don't know what they are. There's 3 in the line.
That is the sun, or the sunspots, or whatever.
No, that's a star next to the moon. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 lights. What are they?
UFOs. I don't know, could be satellites, could be satellites or whatever.
See, I'm zooming out. I have no idea what that was. I really don't know what that is. Okay, that's really messed up. That shouldn't be there. You got the moon and then that star over there. Yep, they're coming back into view again, look. When I zoom in onto the star. What are they?
I don't know, mate.
Okay, I'll upload that later. See if anyone knows what the hell that is. Well, there's definitely something there. I don't know what them 3 things are. That is really messed up. What the fuck? No. Hang on, is that one moving towards the star on the right, or is it? Is that okay. I have no idea what they are. I've never seen that. Never.
It's the first time for me.
And there's another one to the, so there's 3 in a row next to it, and there's one there, but very faint.
You're recording all of them?
I'm recording, yeah.
Oh, good.
I really want to know what they are. I've never seen that before. Okay, that's messed up. Okay, I'm going to zoom out. They're not in the video, but if anyone knows what they are, let me know. Okay, it's recording now. What time is it now? The other video was taken at 2:22.
It's almost 3:30.
Okay, so this is 3:30 AM. The moon's to the right, that star's to the left. So I'm going to zoom in on the star again. And this is in a completely different location. The first one was taken at Tragummna beach. This one is at Dunmanway, West Cork. So when I zoom in, you can see them coming into shape. And these weren't there before. But now, look at that, crystal clear again.
Go directly under the moon.
So I have no idea what that is. So this is just after 3:30 AM. This is the start, the bright start to the left of the moon. I've got a couple of pictures of, just wanted to record while in a different location completely now as well, just to show that they're still there. These never appeared in any of my other previous videos, as you can see on YouTube. But I don't know what these are or how they just appeared out of the blue. But yep, there they are. Right next to the star to the left of the moon. So none of us know what they are, or if anyone knows, do comment on the video and tell me, because they were never there before in my previous videos when I zoomed in on this star. And when I'm zooming out, you can see them crystal clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, and yeah, no one knows what they are. I have no idea. As I said, they were never before. So I'm going to zoom out in there, and then trying to find where the moon is now. Okay, so that's the star there to the left of the moon. That's the moon there on the right. So I'll zoom in one more time on the star and then I'll zoom in on the moon just to show you. There you go, yep. They're there. I'm sure that one there was closer to the star before. So I don't know how that one's actually moved up. Well, that one's actually moved away from that star. That was right up next to the star earlier on when I recorded in the first video, so you can take a look at that one. But yeah, there you go. Really, really strange. No idea what they are next to that. Let's try and zoom in on the moon quickly. One quick zoom in on the moon for you. And this is the second video taken in Dunmanway. And just to show. There we go. But yeah, as I said, if anyone knows what they are, next to the star to the left of the moon, that's always there. That star is always there next to it, that bright one. So yeah, let me know, because I'd really like to know how they just magically appeared out of the blue from every other single time I looked in. So yeah, can someone please answer that? Really, really weird. I'll do that now. I'm just going to zoom in again on these, as you can see. That's so messed up. So ignore that in the background if you can hear that. So it's underneath the moon, do you say?
I thought I saw something.
No. My brother just asked me to zoom in on the moon.
It's getting pretty cloudy.
We're on about like a star you saw or something.
Go lower. Yeah, just below the moon.
Can't see anything around there. What was it? Another star or something?
I don't know, it's extremely dim. You really have to focus to be able to see it, but as you can see, it's getting very cloudy around the moon.
But yeah, I want to know what they are. I'm still so confused what they are.
Yeah.
They were never there before.
And that's this things can't simply appear.
Yeah, they can't just appear. Is that when I zoom in, it's like other planet. You can see it right there, look. Look, they're still there.
Yeah.
But it looks like that one's moving away. Has it moved away from the picture? If anyone can tell me if it looks like they're moving away from there, then that's going to be even more messed up. From the first video, I'll check.
That's not the moon, because
That's definitely not the moon.
We've seen the zoom on the moon, but that's the zoom on that. Completely different.
Yeah. So there you go, everyone. If anyone knows what those things are next to that star, but to me it looks like one of them's moved further away from the earlier video. So yeah, let me know. And much respect all. Take care all. Please do like, subscribe, and I shall chat to you all another time soon. Take care all. Ta-ta. Hey everyone, it's Chris the Rocker here. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you liked the pictures I've taken. And yeah, you can tell that I got pretty excited because every time we recorded, me and my brother, we used to always zoom in on that star and we'd never ever catch anything. And never ever did I ever see anything like that before or capture anything on the camera. And we use a Nikon P950 Coolpix. And it's amazing, as you can tell, for the pictures. But yeah, we definitely got very excited as always because I just love and anything to do with this astronomy and stuff in the sky. It just fascinates me, the world we live in. But please do like, please do subscribe, and comment if you know what that was that I captured. Hopefully it was something rare. Take care all, much love. Please do like, please do subscribe. And if you comment, I shall reply as always. Much love.
Yeah.